Welcome to CryptoSafe, guys! Before we begin, subscribe, like, and comment on the content as we are giving away $20 for a random person who will like this video. At the end of the month, we will announce the winner. Let's get into the topic right away. Since the crypto market harbors several thousands of cryptos, finding the right one to invest in can always be a hassle. Keeping that in mind, today let's talk about a privacy coin named CCX. What are privacy coins? What are its specialties? Does it have the potential? While we're on the topic, let's also analyze the price forecast to conclude whether the token is a good investment. Now, let's gear up and talk about the privacy coin known as Conceal.network. DeFi protects the project. Although the project was launched some time back, it couldn't exhibit powerful pumps. We, being active investors, have been looking for better investment options. The prominent feature that has increased the adoption of privacy coins is that they are equal and fungible. Well, why does that matter? The quality makes privacy coins ideal for crypto investors who are worried about receiving coins with potential dark pasts. In a nutshell, the coin obscures details such as the identity and transaction amounts of a participant. The funds transferred become untraceable, ensuring that no coin will be tainted due to its history. What more? These coins are far more eco-friendly than the mighty Bitcoin and are cost-efficient and take less time. So, coming back to Conceal CCX coin, it is a secure peer-to-peer privacy network that allows the institutional or individual investors to communicate anonymously and interact financially in a decentralized ecosystem. The Conceal network powers the CCX token, an open-source and privacy-protected digital asset with use cases similar to any other crypto. Nobody will know where you store or spend the CCX token, and all transactions, deposits on the Conceal network are untraceable and aren't controlled by any central authority. Everyone can participate for free in the network. The deposits made on the network form the backbone of the ecosystem. The privacy coin indeed justifies the name and offers the end-to-end encrypted messaging service where the messages self-destruct. Now, let's analyze the analysis of the CCX token for today. While recording the video, the coin is trading at 33.0570 cents and has a 24-hour trading volume of $98,393. The token has a ranking of 1,333. The live market cap of the currency is $3,732,470. The circulating supply of CCX is 11,291,007 and has a maximum pool of 200 million. Where can you buy this token? It is found on top cryptocurrency exchanges including Bitmart, Hotbit, STEX, and TradeOgre. Is it a good investment option? According to the forecast report of Wallet Investor, the token is concluded as an excellent long-term one-year investment. Most of us have been looking for fiat currencies that will offer greater returns. CCX can be adopted as it is a profitable investment option. If you were to buy the digital asset for $100 today, you would receive a total of 296.791 CCX tokens. Based on the forecasts, a long-term increase is predicted. After 5 years, according to Wallet Investor, the token is expected to hit the $1.48 benchmark. Hence, with a 5-year investment, the gain is expected to be up by around 340.53%. Thereby, your current $100 investment will move up by $440.53 in 2026. In the past 24 hours, the token has recorded a drop of 1.99% from its current value. When we compare the current market cap with yesterday's, we can infer that the market cap has gone slightly down. However, when we analyze the reports from the last 7 days, the graph indicates that the fiat currency was in a good uptrend and moved up by 12.13%. Despite the plunge in the currency now, we can still conclude that the currency has powerful potential by observing the price movement and pattern. So dig right in and invest before it takes off for good. The price dropped by 13.083% within the last month, eliminating an average sum of 5 cents from its present value. The sudden plunge indicates that the currency is in a dip right now. So, in short, CCX can be a good buy opportunity to earn a quick investment. The 90-day price movement indicates there is a change by around 50.27%, and the price circulated from a minimum average price of 17 cents to a maximum of 17 cents within the last 90 days. However, within the previous 4 months, the token has shown a surge. So we basically think that the entire sector was popular at that period. The trading volume vitally influences the price, and according to the latest data, the currency's trading volume has shown an increase in 4 months. In the past 4 months, the coin went up by around 50.48%, and the maximum average price was about 18 cents, and the minimum was around 10 cents. All told, let's now move on to the price predictions to comprehend the potential the coin has in store. Price predictions are the only way through which we, as an investor, can analyze the possible hike a token can exhibit. Such predictions are concluded after doing much technical analysis on graphs and statistics. Therefore, reaching the predicted prices here might sound possible. In 2021, according to deep technical analysis, the price of Conceal is expected to hit a minimum of 34 cents. On a positive note, it is expected to hit 38 cents. The average trading price of the token is predicted to be around 36 cents. If the trend continues further, in 2022, the token is predicted to hit 50 cents on the low side, while on the upside, the currency will hit 61 cents. The average price the token is expected to maintain throughout 2022 is 51 cents. Based on the forecast and analysis, if things work out well for CCX and as per the predictions, the fiat currency is expected to hit a minimum of 74 cents. On a positive note, the digital asset will move up further and hit 87 cents. The average trading price forecasted for the year 2023 to 2024 is 76 cents. On a bullish note, the CCX token is expected to hit a minimum of $1.09 the same year. The token might as well hit a maximum of $1.12. In 2025, the token is predicted to reach the lowest possible level of $1.55, and the maximum possible level is $1.81. The average forecast price would be $1.61. Within the 5-year time frame, the currency will hit the $1 mark or might as well surpass the limit to become a stablecoin in the crypto universe. We are moving on to the price prediction for the next 5 years. In 2026, the fiat currency is expected to hit $2.25 on the low side. On the upside, it is expected to hit a maximum of $2.74. The average trading value of the digital asset for 2026 is expected to be $2.32. If the digital asset maintains the stance and trend, we can infer that the currency will hit a minimum value of $3.25, and the maximum value is predicted to be around $3.91. The average trading price of the currency for 2027 will be $3.36. In 2028, the price, according to the reports, is expected to reach a minimum price of $4.49. The maximum for 2028 is expected to be $5.60. The average value of the token, as per the forecast, is $4.66. In 2029, the minimum value will be $6.28, the maximum will be $7.72, and the average is expected to be $6.51. With that being said, what would be the stance of CCX in 10 years? In 2030, the lowest possible level the token is expected to hit is $9.04. And the highest possible level predicted is $10.85. The average price in 10 years for the token would be $9.37. We have come across the price predictions for the next 10 years. Here, we can infer from the forecast that the token will highly exhibit a positive momentum. As we have mentioned earlier, privacy coins will thrive better and play significantly in the coming years. As for 2021, the highest forecast price expected for the CCX token is 38 cents. The coin is expected to exhibit a price rise over the years. With more developments and use cases going to be adopted, the coin will effortlessly cross the $1 benchmark, which is considered a significant milestone in the crypto sector.
Like that. High, like that.
Sure, reaching incredible heights doesn't sound too unrealistic now. If the investor community concludes a currency as a good investment option, nothing can stop the currency from taking off for good or entering an extreme bull run. Over the years, the crypto sector has evolved and shown positive momentum, especially seen from 2020. However, the crypto world is a skeptical place to be, so before arriving at a conclusion, it's better to keep an eye on the price movements and trends of the entire sector. With that, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. If you found the video informational and helpful, smash that like button and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Until next time, see you all.